Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've shown you that I know how to shop, and shopping's my favorite thing to do, but you guys seem to like when I do hauls and when I do come shop with me, so I had to show you what I picked up. I found Joanna Gaines in the Goodwill again. It's a lazy day around here. Happy Memorial Day. Thank you to all the veterans and all the men and women in service. So grateful, so thankful for your service. I ran up to Goodwill because I got a little text that everything was 50% off. I was actually hoping and wondering if this was going to be in Goodwill after I found the little bloom little houses. Well, they're the little houses that are called bloom holders. That's what they are. So I was thinking about this. I really wanted one of these. This was marked, it was originally $29.99, marked down to $14.97, and the lovely young lady at the register, after she was done ringing me up, said, "Oops, I gave you half off and I wasn't supposed to." I said, "Well, that's no problem, because last time I was here, the gentleman rang me up for one item too many." So I got this at, is this the right receipt? This is the wrong receipt. Hold on. I had that receipt front and center, and now it's MIA. So we're just going to go with, I'm pretty sure she charged me $7 and something from $29.99. So that was an epic find. Go thrift team, go. All right, I'm such a dork. Okay, so my next find was this tray. It doesn't look like much, but we're going to upcycle it. That is what I really love to do, find thrifted items and upcycle them. Actually, I want to take you guys around my house and show you all the things that I've upcycled. So this says on the back, made for Pyrex brand. So this has $4 on it, and I got it half price, so it was $2. I'm going to be upcycling this, so hopefully we'll make a video of that. I also purchased these bowls. It says 3 on the bottom, so these were $1.50 each. I have one in my room on my nightstand table already, just to like throw junk so it doesn't roll off the nightstand. And my niece filled this one up with sand. I also hit a yard sale on my way home, so I got that like fun sand that keeps its shape for like, I think she gave it to me for like 25 or 50 cents, like something ridiculous. This stuff feels really cool. Do you guys watch those videos? I don't know if they're called QSMAR or whatever, but the ones where people just like play with stuff and like make glitter explode and stuff. I could definitely get stuck watching those, but I try to stop myself because ain't nobody got time for that. I picked up another tray. Now this is like really ugly, but the size is good, and there's like this mosaic on the side, so I don't know how that's going to come out if I paint over it. But I have a couple friends that have stores where they upcycle things and then resell them, and trays, what is it, credenza, not credenzas, yeah, like a credenza, the narrow tables, they always sell. Hopefully I can do something with this. I might paint it and put it in the bathroom. Oh, so lastly, I got this at the yard sale. This little globe terrarium thing. So she's like, "I'll just keep the quarter," and she let me have it. So there were 2 succulents in here, and I already took them out and put them in my succulent wall decor. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. It's a little long, but it's cool. You can fast forward through it a little bit if you'd like. The end is the fun part. Actually, I'm going to show you the succulent wall art in a second. But so I popped a few of these out and put them in there, and I'm going to see what I can do with this. I'd love to put some like living things in there. If not, I could just redecorate it a little, put my own touch on it, and leave it as is. So let me show you my succulent wall decor real quick so that you can go check out the video. And thank you again to all of our veterans. Thank you for watching. If you've not yet been here before, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. I upload multiple times a week. However, it's pretty random, although it's a few times a week. So make sure you hit the bell so you know when I upload. Thank you so much, you guys, and I will see you on the next one. There's my new succulent right there. I gotta move him up a little bit, but he's in there. And then that other bright green one was in that little terrarium as well. That's a real air plant in the middle. I'm so psyched with how this came out, you guys. Make sure you subscribe. You can click the little circle at the end of the video and that will subscribe you to my channel. And also click on my other videos and check them out. I'll see you on the next